Hello and welcome again for one more episode of Unedited Adda with me, Srinjoy Sen. And today I'll give you a very important topic of what not to do while applying for a Schengen visa. Remember, no dummy bookings whatsoever at all. No hold tickets. No. It's a big no. Earlier, maybe yes, you would have got through less amount of checking, but post pandemic, there's crazy amount of checking, and the moment they find that you have done a booking with a dummy booking or a hold booking, the visa officer will instantly reject your visa. It does not matter if you have traveled to Schengen area 10 times, you have a US visa, you have an Australian visa, you have a Canadian visa, it does not matter at all. If you give dummy bookings and you're caught, it is a guaranteed rejection. Your easiest way to Schengen visa is to ensure that whatever is truthful, the bookings are done and it's given, then you will get your Schengen visa. And most importantly, what not to do is after you have got your visa, for example, you have got your visa from Switzerland by showing maximum number of nights in Switzerland, but then right after getting your visa, you cancel your tickets and you book another set of tickets for maybe going to Italy and not going to Switzerland at all. Trust me on this, right now the airlines are reporting to the consulates and embassies, and when you are going to check in at the airline, at the counter, the airline person, consulate persons are coming and stopping passengers. It is a very, very dark reality currently, and hence my earnest request to all you travelers is that once you get a Schengen visa, do not change it, do not change your flight at all, because the embassies are literally just going on step by step and cancelling visas. There are multiple of these similar experiences that have been shared by fellow travelers, and hence I am reminding all of you that yes, you might see that appointment is available in the Schengen state of Switzerland, but then ensure that you stick to your original itinerary and bookings, because any kind of negative effect on your passport can kill your passport forever. Doesn't matter if you have two full passports, and hence this is another very important point to not do. And of course, thirdly, don't just take a base insurance for Schengen visa. The Schengen countries stipulate to take a bare minimum visa, for the visa, a bare minimum insurance, but ideally you should take the good amount possible, because you never know what can happen, especially in Western Europe, where it is kind of very prone to pickpockets and so on and so forth, and hence you should be well insured. Thank you so much, and keep watching, like, subscribe, and do share if you think I'm useful to you.